Hello dear students. In the previous classes we learnt how to construct quadrilaterals when various measures are given. Today we are going to learn some special cases. So the first case is to construct a square of side 4.5 centimeter. Only one side is given. No other information is given. So what you have to do? You have to think of the information yourself. You should know the information. So whatever may be the information that we will write later on, but first of all we will draw a rough figure of the square. What is a square? A square is a four-sided figure which has got all four sides equal and all four angles 90 degree. So here only let us name it to construct a square of side 4.5 given. So you can name it by your own wish. You can name it. Okay, P, Q, R, S. So any one side is given 4.5. So first property is a square has got all four sides equal. So we can write all sides as 4.5 centimeter. So this is one information. Another information that we know is all the angles are 90 degree. So using these two information we are going to draw or construct the square of 4.5 centimeter. So let us see how to do it. So what is the first step that you have to do? What is, as usual, you know what is the first step? Draw the base. Any one side you can take as 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. Now what is the next step? Construct angle 90 degree on both the end points. So you can name it as PQ, you can name it by any side, but PQ is 4.5, all sides are same, so you can give any name. So how to construct 90? Again, today somebody asked it out, so you see how to construct 90. Keep the pointer on P and take any measure and draw one arc. What did we do? Keeping the pointer on P and take any distance. See, I have taken any distance that I like and I drew one arc, and that arc must meet this line segment. So wherever the arc met, you can mark a point if you forget. Now take the same distance once, so you get 60. Second time when you draw a bigger arc. I mean little bit longer arc. Okay, and then wherever the arc met here, so from there draw once again, and then what you have to do? Join that point to P. Okay, same thing you can do at Q, or you can draw equal angle construction, whatever you want. So if you drew equal angle construction, take the same measure, keep it here, draw one arc. Okay, and then take this distance from here to here and mark it. Otherwise, as usual, once, then from here 2, second one longer one, and from where it met, draw the third one. This is very easy to draw 90 angle, and then join that point to Q. Now we know that all the sides are of 4.5 centimeter. So take this PQ 4.5 in the compass. From P you mark an arc, and from Q also mark an arc. Now the line segments are not meeting. So what we will do? Extend it. Okay. So when you extend, it meets the arc at a point. Now wherever the arc met, join them. So we got PQ, R, S. All the sides are 4.5 centimeter. And all angles are 90 degree. This information is not given in the question, but we have to write ourselves. Now you need to write the steps for construction. Now another special case is construct a rhombus ABCD with AC 7 centimeter and BD 6 centimeter. So when you draw the rough figure, you will come to know AC and BD are diagonals. Now we don't have any other information with us. So what will you do? You know that the sides are equal, but we don't know the sides. If you know one side, you can find out all sides, but we don't have any information regarding the sides. But we know that in a rhombus, the diagonals bisect perpendicularly, means these all angles are 90 degree. So if you draw any one diagonal and draw its perpendicular bisector, you will get the rhombus. So what is the first step? First draw a line segment of 7 centimeter. So here is the line segment of 7 centimeter. You can draw any one, but I took 7 because 6 upon 2 will be easier than 7 upon 2. So which one is 7 centimeter? AC 7 centimeter. Now we have to bisect it perpendicularly. How to bisect it perpendicularly? Let us see how to bisect this line segment perpendicularly. Perpendicular bisectors, how to draw? We have to take any measurement which is more than half of this length. Whatever is the total length, it's half. If you take half, they will not meet, the arc will not meet. So take little more than the half, and then keep on the first end point and draw one circle, draw one arc, and then same distance to take, and from the other end point, see, if you draw another arc, both the arcs met at a point, then with the help of the scale, you can join the 2 points where the arcs met. So the first point is here and the second point is here, and then join it. So you got this angle 90 degree. Okay. So the diagonals are ready, but we need to see the length of the diagonal. Now if you see, this total length is 6 centimeter, and we know that they are bisecting each other. Bisecting means these two sides will be equal and this side will be equal. If you mark this point as O, OA equal to OC, OD equal to OB. So what will be OB or OD? It will be equal to 6 upon 2. This line, this one, AC will cut BD into 2 equal parts. That is 6 divided into 2 equal parts. Each one will be 3 centimeter. So what we will do? On the scale, take 3 centimeter. First keep on 0 and then on 3. Okay. After that, keep it on the center and then mark one arc, up and down. So whichever point you got, see here, here is the point, and here this is the point, and then join this point. To C and then to A. Okay, so we got some parts, and then here also to join. Okay, sorry. Now this point to join to C. Now what is the name? This is A, so this is B, and this is, see here, B, and this point is D. So we got a rhombus ABCD. All the four sides will be equal. Though we don't know the measures, we can put this sign which shows they are all equal. Now what is the name of what is the measure of AC? 7 centimeter. So right here 7 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. So your diagram is ready. Now let us see exercise 4.5. The first question, draw the following. The first one is a square RED, READ, with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. So as you know, the square has got all four sides equal, and all the angles will be 90 degree. Okay. So what we will do first, draw a line segment of 5.1 centimeter. First to take 5 and then the next smallest point 5.1. R E, and then construct 90 degree. So keep it here, pointer to keep here, and then those who asked doubts, you can see here, see, once, then keeping it at this point. See, usually children do a mistake. That means if this arc has gone like this, some children they draw arc like this, and then they take the distance from here. That is mistake. So where you have to take, where the line touches the arc from here. So take the same distance once, then second arc is for 60 degree. And the third one, I told you always to draw little bigger in size. And then to cut the third one by this arc. So you will get 90 degree. Then similar way you can make it here also. See, take any distance. Actually, if you take the same distance, then equal angle construction also you can use here. I will show you how to do it. Draw one big arc, and then you see, take this distance from here to here. If you see this distance, and then draw the same here. What we did, we took this arc length, kept here, and drew the arc here, and then we got directly 90 degree by equal angle construction. Okay. So 90 degree line is ready. Is this clear to you? Okay. Now what we have to do, take the same length. Which length? This length. from here and from, and then join the two points. And then to mark R, E, A, D, red, and this is, the sides are 5.1 centimeter. If you write on one side also it will do. If you want, you can write here also. But if you wish, you can write on all four sides, all four. And the next question is again the rhombus, 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter are the diagonals. So we know what we have to do. First draw a 6.4 centimeter line segment. So 6.5. You can draw any one. I have drawn 6.4. And then what we have to do? By perpendicular bisector of this. How to make it? Take any distance as you wish, but it should be more than half. Draw one arc here and with the same length draw another arc to cut the first arc at two different points. And when you get the two different points, here is one and here is the other. Join them. And then this is 6.4 we took. What is the other one? 5.2. That we need to divide by 2, because from here and here together it should be 5.2 and both are equal. So 5.2 by 2, 2.6. So take 2.6 in the compass. 0, 2.6. See here, this is 2.6. And then from the center point, cut arc on both the sides. So wherever the arc met, you got the points, join them to the end points of the given line segment. Not line, line has no end points. Okay, you got all the four sides which are equal. This is 6.4. So you need to name it as you wish. You can name M, N, O, P. So this is 6.4 and this is 5.2. Okay. Okay, they have marked it here, no? Oh, sorry. So it can be P. P should be here. So P, because PA is 6.4. So PE, peer, PEAR. So PA is 6.4. So PA 6.4. Okay. So according to the given measure to draw, that is very important. The next one is a rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 and 4. So first draw a rough diagram. 5 centimeter length and 4 centimeter breadth. And for rectangle also, all the angles are 90 degree. So first thing is draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. After the lines, drawing the line segment, make 90 degree Now I am not going to explain, you can just see, watch it, because we have made it so many times. So first arc, second arc, third arc to make longer one, and then to cut it by the fourth arc, join it. Now same thing to repeat here. Take any distance, first arc, then from that point of intersection, second arc, from that point of intersection, third arc to be drawn longer, and wherever they intersected, to draw the fourth arc, and then the measurement has moved a little bit, I think. It has moved a lot, little it has moved. 1, 2, correct. Okay. And then it is a rectangle with 4 centimeter breadth. So take 4 centimeter from both the sides, here also and from here, join them. And name it as you wish. M N O P, adjacent side 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Both the angles are 90 degree. Your diagram is ready. And the last question in this chapter is, draw a parallelogram. OK. Parallelogram's name is OK. So let us draw the parallelogram OK with O, K, A, Y. OK is 5.5 centimeter and KA 4.2 centimeter. Nothing else is given. But we know that if this is 5.5, this is also 5.5 and this is 4.2. Now, if you make this, the question here is it unique? Is it unique means whatever quadrilateral, you see children, in all other pictures, all 100 students they make according to their wish, but all the diagrams will look same. But in this particular case, only 2 sides are given, angles are not given. So, will all the parallelogram remain the same or not? That is the question. So, you can draw in any way. Okay. Let us draw in one way. I will show you how to draw it. You just take 5.5 centimeter and draw one line. Okay. So, I am going to draw 5.5 centimeter. Now, angle measures are not given. So, you can draw any angle that you wish. So, whatever angle you made here, so somebody may make here an obtuse angle, somebody may make one acute angle. So, whatever angle you made here, the same angle you need to make on the other side also. So, sorry, not adjacent angles are supplementary. So, what we will do here, we will measure the angle using the protractor. So, you see here this angle is how many degree? 85, 86, 87 degree. This angle is, it is an obtuse angle, it cannot be 87, it is 100, 105, 106, 107 degree. So, if this is 107 degree, so what can be this angle? This angle should be 180 minus 107. How much it is? It should be 73 degree. So, here we need to make an angle of 73. This is 70, 71, 72, 73. Okay. And then you need to take 4.2 on both the sides. So, 4.2 from both the sides, take 4.2 and join them. This is how I drew. Now, if somebody wanted to make here 60 degree, so here it will be 120 degree. Okay. So, your parallelogram may look like this. I am just showing you roughly. It may look like this. Here it is 60 degree and then this side will be 120 degree. So, it will look like this, but here the sides will remain same. Do they both look same? May not. Okay. Here it is obtuse, here it is acute. Here it is acute, here it is obtuse. So, when you do not give the required measurements, you will be able to draw the parallelogram, but what happens, it will not be a unique parallelogram. Any figure it will be like that. If the measures are not given correctly or the required measures are not given, then whatever figure you draw will not be unique, because every one of you will have your own choice and you will make it in different way. That is all for today. On Saturday we will revise this chapter, and on Monday we will start the new chapter, that is chapter number 5. And before we start chapter number 5, we need to get graph papers. So, be ready with your graph papers. That is all for today. Thank you.